Scene 1. Introduction. Camera pans over diverse landscapes, vast deserts, lush forests, serene mountains, and flowing rivers. The scene fades into a throne surrounded by light, where the king of the kingdom of God, a metaphorical figure, begins to speak. King of the kingdom of God, narrator. Behold, humanity stands on a canvas where nature paints the strokes of life. Every river, mountain, and forest holds the whispers of lessons our ancestors once knew. In their era, wisdom was not a commodity nor a display. It was a rhythm, a way of life, a vision unseen by the eyes, but deeply felt in the heart. Today, we journey back to these timeless whispers. Let them fill us with purpose. Scene 2. Ancient wisdom unveiled. Cut to a reenactment of Chief Seattle addressing his tribe, delivering his famous speech. Chief Seattle, brothers and sisters, our connection to the earth is eternal. The soil under our feet is not mere dirt, but the ashes of our ancestors and the cradle of our descendants. When you look at the land, see more than territories, see life, see spirit. The gift of vision lies in understanding our role as caretakers, not conquerors. Transition to a quiet gathering of an Aboriginal elder, passing down stories about Dreamtime to a circle of attentive individuals. Australian Aboriginal elder, actor. The Dreamtime connects us all, revealing a world beyond what the eyes survey. It is the spirit's eyes that hear the songs of rocks, that trace the constellations. My children, do not let your physical sight trap you into confines. True wisdom breathes in the spaces unseen. Scene 3. The wisdom of the Quran. Scene opens with an Islamic scholar passionately addressing a congregation. Imam Al-Ghazali, actor. The Quran teaches us, whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while they are a believer, we will surely cause them to live a good life. Compassion and righteousness are your guides to a higher vision. Each act of love you gift to the world opens the gates of understanding. Thus, true clarity is not in the eyes, but in the purity of intentions. Scene 4. Eastern philosophies. Transition to a serene temple where the Buddha is depicted speaking under the Bodhi tree, surrounded by gathered monks. Buddha, actor. Liberate your mind from craving and aversion, for the path is clear when unshackled. True happiness is the harmony of insight. Peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. My teachings remind you to center your being around enlightenment. The eyes are often deceived. It is the mind's eye that reveals truth. Scene 5. Conclusion. Collage of scenes from each culture, people meditating, learning, praying, and connecting with nature. The King of the Kingdom of God speaks again. King of the Kingdom of God, narrator. From the deserts of America to the forests of Australia, from the wisdom of the Quran to Eastern philosophies, a thread connects all humanity, a shared inner vision. This wisdom transcends words and borders, beckoning us to nurture compassion, embrace unity, and respect the natural symphony around us. Remember, true vision isn't what you see, but what your spirit knows. Let your heart lead you to this endless reservoir of wisdom. For in accepting this gift, you too help paint the canvas of life with purpose and peace. Fade to black as gentle music plays and the credits roll. This script explores timeless teachings from Native American, Aboriginal, Islamic, and Buddhist traditions, inspiring audiences to reflect on shared values of humanity, respect, and inner wisdom.